I'm at the railway station, or the old railway station. Geez, yeah, they've done it up well. All aboard. Burra, Peacock's Chimney. With Paxton Square cottages. Just leaving Burra town. Well, pretty boring walking on a road. That's it. That is the campsite, World's End campsite. But I'm gonna head down there to the campground with the caravanners. Massive trees here in Burra Gorge. Good morning, everyone. Just left World's End camping ground rather than the shelter provided, and out of the wind, which is for bliss. And I had a table I could use. Slight strain on my left calf yesterday doing some road walking. I've had it before near Warren Gorge as well, so lots of Panadols and ibuprofen to settle that down and make sure I can't feel it, but I can. Off to a hut, Huppatz Hut. I've just got to watch the mud. Huppatz Hut, about 20 k's or 19 k's or 18, something like that. Get there just after lunch. Anyway, sprinkle of rain already, but all good. Let's see how the day goes. Over a couple of hills. I might call them mountains, but a couple of hills. Just following this creek through the hills. Well, if these look familiar, it's because they are Morgan to Whyalla pipelines. Crossed near Sporting. Rain, sunshine. Oh, right, where am I? Web Gap. Another 15 k's. Let's hope less. Lunchtime. So this is the steep downhill. Something different for cows. It's only the second time we've seen cows. Sorry, cattle. Not milking cows, are they? All right, here's the setup at, where are we? Smith's Hill. Good morning. Left Smith's Hill campsite, top of the hill, and we've just come down through Marabel today, and then to Marshall's hut. Just walking through this gap between two fences. Very nice, very pleasant. Made it to Marabel, famous for the rodeo. here in Marabel. I'm going to go down the main street. Hopefully I don't get run over. Let's have a tour inside. So we've got a hiker staying here. Got the top bunk and some electronics there. Big fireplace, kitchen sink, not connected, I'm sure. It might be. There's a table there for dinner. Good morning. Left Marshall's hut. Was on top of the ridge. We're down now and on the way to Kapunda. So I got a rest day tomorrow. And so a big day, I think it's about 33. There's a reroute. I might make it shorter. It might make it the same. This is Matt Kerno, the Cornish miner. Here at the Kapunda mine. This is Clyde, the metal horse. The Kapunda mine chimney. Good morning. I am just leaving Kapunda and off to Nuriootpa, so which is not on the Heysen Trail, but I've stayed at Tanunda a couple of times or ridden through. So Nuriootpa I'm staying, and there's a great gluten-free supermarket there as well, so I'll be able to stock up. Not much at Tanunda. There is a food land or something, but not as good as Nuriootpa. So I've got to make my own way there. Morning tea at Nuriootpa. I'll start from Nuriootpa through Tanunda, back on trail to I think it's Rossiters Hut, up on top of the hill. Just between Tanunda and Nuriootpa. Barossa Valley. Rossiters! Let's have a look inside. Table, food bucket, fireplace. Big piece of wood for the fire, but you can have fires. I'm not sure I'll have one. That is the Barossa Valley. This is the Cornish miner, Sam the Cornish miner here at Kapunda. This is Wim the horse.